Days ago, I was told I need to upgrade my leather jacket. And then yesterday, some Italian designer comes into the area. I think he was in New York. Didn't speak any English. I needed a translator. And he doesn't feel like taking these back to Italy. He wants them on my YouTube channel. It's nice to have followers in Italy. Nice, right? The only thing that's different, the zipper goes up and down on the opposite side. I'm so used to using a zipper that goes up and down, or threads from the right. This one threads from the left. Am I nuts about the SF here? Not too nuts. I don't want to take it off because it'll look like garbage. Nice, right? Different. But when I put it on, it's like he knew my exact size. It says double XL, but it fits like a glove. Let's see, where's the flashlight? Superlative fashion. That's what the SF stands for. Open it all the way up. And there's the colors of the Italian flag. Different. It says it's made in Italy. This weekend I have a car show, upgraded with my nice jacket. Oh wait, it's a small world. I was born in San Francisco. And I looked. This is like a $500 jacket. Thank you.